Hello students, now you will study in the coordinate geometry. How will you get the area of a triangle when the vertices of the triangle is given? Coordinate of the vertices. We know the formula half into base into height. We know the formula Hero's formula under root s minus a s minus b s minus c s minus s is equal to a plus b plus c by 2. These formulas we know. But when the coordinate is given, then there is a formula, a special formula for the area of triangle. Half x1 y1 is the coordinate of A, x2 y2 is the coordinate of B, x3 y3 is the coordinate of C. Then the area of triangle is half, bracket start x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1, x3 y2 minus y1 minus y2. You see that which x you are taking, that bracket no y will be taken. First 1 taken, then 2 minus 3. 2 taken, then 3 minus 1. 3 taken, then 1 minus 2. Very simple to learn. It is seeing very big, but very simple. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3, 1. 3, 1, 2. So how will you prove it? I have drawn here figure. You will draw a figure here. What is the proof of this formula? Derivation. Derivation will draw a perpendicular on it, on the this. So you see that A, B, C, D, E, F. These perpendiculars form the trapezium. There is a 3 trapezium. One is from A, one is from A this side, one is from BC line. There is a 3 trapezium. So when you want the area of this, you want the area of this figure, it means sum of the 2 trapezium. Area of triangle ABC is equal to area of trapezium ABDE plus trapezium AEFC minus ABDE AC. There is a 2 trapezium like this, you can see. One trapezium is this, another trapezium is this. These two you add, when you both add, and from the sum of this you subtract this trapezium. What is this trapezium? It is a B, D, E and C. B, D, F and C. F and C. This trapezium you subtract, then you will get the area. Subtract the minus trapezium. What is the trapezium? B, D, F, C. You will get this. So we know the formula of trapezium, half into sum of parallel side. In this trapezium, BD and AE, BD plus AE, multiply the distance between them. Distance between them is this D, plus half into AE. In this AE and CF is the parallel line, AE plus CF, multiply by distance between them. What is the distance between them? This EF, minus half into sum of parallel side BDC, BD plus CF, BD plus CF, multiply by BD plus CF multiply by DF. Now you see, what are these lines? First you see, what is this D? D is actually x2. What is this? It is x1. What is this? It is x3. So, half into, half is common in all. BD plus AE. What is the BD? BD is, here you will get it is a y2, here you will get it is a y1, here you will get it is a y3. According to this heights. So, BD, what is the BD? It is a y1, y2, y2 plus and y3, BD and AE, y2 plus y1, that you are seeing, y2 plus y1. What you are getting? Y2 plus y1. It is a y1 and DE. This distance will be x1 minus x2. So D will be x1 minus x2 plus AE and CF. What is the AE? Y1 plus CF y3, and this EF is this distance x3 minus x1. What will you get here? x3 minus x1 minus what is given? BD plus CF. What is the BD again? BD is y2 plus CF. What is the CF given? y3. And in the bracket, this distance is x3 minus x2. You are getting x3 minus x2. It is your half, all the half I am writing outside. Then BD, AE, DE, AE, CF, all the values I am writing. While this value you will write, then what result? When you open the bracket and then you see, at last your answer will be half. You can learn without seeing I am writing. Half x1, 1 you are writing, then 2 and 3 will be y2 minus y3. Plus 2 you are writing, then 1, 2, 3 in the cycle, 2 के बाद 3, y3 minus y1. And then x3 you are writing, then because after 3 there is a no number, 1 minus 2, y1 minus y2. It is your area of any triangle whose vertices are given. You can find by this formula. You can find this by this formula. Area of any triangle, it is the derivation. By this many questions are given. I hope it is clear. Derivation also. Open the bracket, you will get this. There are some examples are given here. Example number 10 of your book, 11 of your book. Example 11. What is the example 11? Find the area of a triangle whose vertices are 1, minus 1, minus 4, 6, and minus 3, minus 5. Very simple question. How will you get the area of this? It is x1, y1, it is x2, y2, it is x3, y3. No figure. Area of triangle is equal to half x1, 2 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 2. You learn this. Put the value. What is x1? 1. In the bracket, 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 plus x2 minus 4, y3 minus 5 minus 1, x3 minus 3, 1 minus 2, minus 1 minus 6. Now you will write half 1, 6 plus 5, minus 4, minus 5 plus 1, minus 3, minus 7. Solving 1 into 11, minus 4, minus plus 16, minus 3, minus 7, minus plus 7, 3 is 21. You get half into 11, 1 is 11. So 6 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8. 2, 3, 4, 48, and that is 24 square unit. If the answer is coming negative, if the answer is coming minus 24, then also you write area of triangle in positive form. You will write the area of triangle in the negative, also will be there positive. Example 12 is given here. Example 12. What is the example 12? Example 12 you see, very simple. Example 12. What is given? Find the area of a triangle whose vertices A, lane is given, 5, 2, B, 4, 7, C, 7, minus 4. In this, very simple, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. It is very helpful. So area of triangle ABC is equal to half 1, 2 minus 3, 2, 3 minus 1, 3, 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 means y. In bracket y outside x. Put the values 5, 7 minus 4 means 7 plus 4, 4 minus 4 minus 2, 7, x3 is 7, 1 minus 2, 2 minus 7. You put the value. Half, 5 into 11, 4 into minus 6, 7 into minus 5. 11 5s are 55, minus 24, minus 35. You are getting 55 minus 59. So half into minus 4 gives you minus 2. Therefore, minus, it is not the wrong. Your answer is not wrong. It is 100% correct. You write therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to 2 square unit. You will not write minus. Your answer will be this. Minus you overlay. When answer is coming, so no value, no problem. You solve it and then find the answer in the positive. Thanks for today. And then I will tell you rest question in the next lecture.